Hi guys, I just did a video. What? Sorry about that. So, I just made a video. I haven't uploaded it yet. But, so I forgot to tell you, make sure, that I need, so, so there's this app called TikTok. But did you know TikTok and Musical.ly are the same thing? So download TikTok, follow me at Kanye Dean, that's my TikTok account name is, so follow me on Musical.ly, and if you do, I will try and make sure I follow you back, okay? So, what happened? Like, so shout out to one of my bestest friends, Cheyenne Harrison. So she gets a shout out for following me on TikTok, and another shout out goes to, drumroll please, Ricky Vogel. Yep, that is what I just said, Ricky. My sister, Crystal, shout out to her. Another shout out goes to Joan, my sister's best friend. And that's all the shout outs for today of TikTok. Make sure you follow me on TikTok, follow me on YouTube, so you know when I upload a video. Follow me, not follow me, but subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. You already know how many subscribers I need. Number 2, make sure you turn that ding on bell button so you know when I upload a new video. And you could be on the Sheriff Squad. That's right, Sheriff Squad. And thank you for watching this video. If you have any information more about Project Zoko, tell me in the comments. I don't think my parents don't like. If you want to send me a fan mail, you have to do it in the comments, because my parents might not like that. Like, I don't mean like, it's not what I'm trying to tell you guys, but my parents don't probably like someone sending fan mails about me. I mean, I like kind of want to start a fan mail thing, make videos of fan mails and whatever, but I don't think my father or my dad doesn't like that. So yeah, thank you for watching, and make sure you turn that bell so you know when I find a new video. Bye.